Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. So I'm doing something a little bit different today because I got two boxes at the same time, and technically they're the same subscription. And I usually do them in two separate videos, but I thought it would be fun to kind of condense it. Now, by doing it this way, I did peek at the products, but I did not scoop anything out to try on. Now, again, that's pretty much just so that we zip through this quicker and that I don't chit-chat too much about my opinion or thoughts of each of the products, which I usually do after trying on some of the stuff that I get in my boxes. Okay, so I've got one Boxycharm Base Box for May 2021, and number two. Now, I do get a couple of these. I'm sure y'all have heard me talk about it before. I'm able to pick different choices and bring to you guys a couple different variations on my channel in one stop. But today, like I said, I'm doing them together so we can see if there's duplicates or repeats and how different the variations are. Now, I will say, just from initial glance, the boxes are a different size. Look at how much bigger this one is. They're the exact same size this way. They're just different this way. So, without further ado, let's dive in and see what we got. And the theme this month is flourish. I've already said that a couple of times. I don't know why I need to look at the card again because I know the theme. So pretty flowers. And then, of course, on the back of the card is a list of all the items we got in this box. And my first box that we're unboxing is variation number 93. So the first thing I am pulling out is from First Aid Beauty, and this is their Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. I have gotten this before, actually a couple times, because I just got another one in my Trend Mood box from last month, the First Aid Beauty Takeover box. And I do really like this primer. This retails for $30. It's formulated with coconut water and other superfood ingredients. Okay, next, I got this. Now, I did see a sneak peek on this that some of us might be getting it, and I am over the moon to get this. This is from Drybar, and I've used products from Drybar before. I love them. I love them. This is the Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist. Now, I use heat protectant products like this faithfully. It does really good on my hair. In addition to that, even if I'm not styling it with heat products, I do still use a heat protectant because I like the way it moisturizes my hair, but I also use it on my clip-in hair extensions, and it works incredible. Okay. The Drybar Hot Toddy Protectant Mist retails for $27. And next is this little thing. What is it? Okay, this is from Beekman 1802. It says Dewy Eyed Illuminating Eye Serum. Okay. Oh, this is really cute. Look at it. It comes in this little baggy thing. It's the little details. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It says it's an illuminating eye serum. It doesn't have any like illuminating, it's not like a highlighter or a brightener. So it doesn't have any like shimmer or whitish or lighter tinge to it. It just feels like a regular clear serum. And it does actually feel really, really good. So I'm excited to get that. The Beacon 1802 Dewy-Eyed Illuminating and Depuffing Serum. I missed that part. This retails for $42. It says, say goodbye to fatigue and awaken tired eyes with a highly concentrated, clinically proven eye serum. Okay. Next is this. It's Tint Haze. Let me see. Okay, it's by Tint Beauty. And it is the Haze Smoky Eye Pencil. And it retails for $18. Look, it's this gorgeous green. I'm so excited for this. I absolutely love this color. And I don't think I have anything like it. Okay, so I did tell you that retailed for $18, right? Yeah. Okay. Last but not least is the Tarte Shape Tape. Oh, the Glow Wand. Right, that's what it was. And this was the item I chose. And this baby retails for $27. Now, I do have this already. I had purchased it a while back. And I actually really, really like it. I do have oily skin, so I do have to, you know, kind of like really pat it in to blend it really good because it wants to work against the oil, if that makes sense. Well, most makeup does. So when you've got oily skin, it's more of a pain. But it's okay. I do like this, and I know that a lot of people really, really rave about it. The only downfall to this, and I say it because, like I said, I have one already that I've had for maybe 6 months now. But so it's got this little spongy thing on the end where ideally you're supposed to be able to blend it in with this little sponge. However, it comes out so easily, which is good for cleaning it. But when you're trying to blend, there's not enough sponge there, and you keep hitting the plastic. So that is one thing that frustrates me about this product. Otherwise, it's really good. Just gotta give it to you straight. Sorry. Okay, so that was box number 1 for the base box that I got. And again, that was variation 93. The total value of this box is $144. So, for a $25 box, outstanding. Outstanding deal. Super happy with everything I got. Okay, box number 2. Okay, I see a repeat, but that's okay. It's one of my favorite things, so I'm okay with that. Obviously, the same theme, flourish. And all my items in the box are on the back of the card. Now, I did get another one of the heat protectant sprays, but I am actually totally fine with that. So again, the Dry Bar Hot Toddy heat protectant spray retails for $27. Next is the item I chose. Mama got the Murad. Well, this is the other thing I chose. And this is the Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. I've heard good things about it, so I'm really excited to try it. This retails for $74. Yeah, that's a high ticket item for this month. Detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. Don't you know it? Next is this little baby. What is it? Okay, it's from Mellow, and it's a liquid lip gloss. Saint Tropez is the color right there. I'll just pull it out so you can see the color better. Okay. So that's pretty. Mellow Cosmetics Lip Gloss. Retails for $18. Okay, so it's got vitamin E and avocado oil in it, which is really good. And it's cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. Next, I got the little Lavish brush set. Lavish Essential Eye Collection set. Retails for $30 for 5 brushes. Okay, I am going to put this aside to give back to one of you. Those are all the brushes in it. Giveaway pile. Last but not least is the Cab Cosmetics Day and Night Palette. Okay, I'm super excited I got this too. I got a couple of really good box sets. Oh my gosh. Ooh, look at these colors. They look even better than they did in the spoiler. Okay. Cab Cosmetics Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette. It retails for $52. It's got a brand new formula. Okay. With sustainable packaging. I really, really like that. I'm seeing that quite a bit. In my monthly giveaway this month is a KVD palette that's fully recyclable, and it's still gorgeous. It's so pretty. So yeah. What do we think? So this second box is Variation 14. Did I tell you that yet? I don't know. But the total value in this box is $201. So that's a doozy between getting the palette and the $74 Murad product that made this box, you know, a little more pricey, but still for a $25 box. What do you think? Which is your favorite product? Put it down in the comments. Did you get your box yet? What did you pick? The Shape Tape or the Murad? Let me know. Okay, that's it. That was my 2 Boxycharm May 2021 base boxes. I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think? Your favorite item? All that good stuff. Also, too, let me know. Do you prefer me unboxing my base boxes together like this on a side-by-side, or do 2 separate videos? You let me know. Okay. Well then, thank you so much for coming to hang out with me for a little bit during one of my videos. I do appreciate you so, so much. And if you like stuff like this, in addition to giveaways, spoilers, and discounts and sale notifications, along with mystery box notifications, be sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay, love you guys bunches. Mwah. Thanks again. Talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.